Hi, my name's Craig Power. I'm the Managing Director of iSOL8. iSOL8 is an occupational health and safety consultancy and provides several services. But before I go ahead, I'd like to discuss some of the concerns and burning issues that I've seen over the last several years that are arising in the industry. We all know there's a complex OH&S jungle to penetrate and manage, but what I've been observing over the last several years is the jungle's got thicker. It's got more unknowns in there. We've made it more complex. It's difficult. We seem to be layering rules, more procedures, longer documents. In other words, we're becoming more and more complex. This is making it difficult for people to reduce costs, make it safer and make it better. My sense of where the industry is going in regard to systems, procedures, processes, we've gone, as I said before, into complexity. I prefer simplicity. Let's get back to that area. The other one that's quite concerning is the lessening and lack of original thinking. This is quite concerning because it can miss the facts that are what I call buried below the OH&S iceberg. What you see in front of you is not what's happening underneath. Other examples of documentation and processes that seem to be getting bigger and bigger and ineffective. The first one is risk assessments. Project risk assessments, company-wide risk assessments. I've seen risk assessments that are over 100 pages long. Job safety analyses and safe work method statements. Are they ever two abused documents that are becoming less and less effective? Commonly seen are extensive, lengthy safe work method statements. I've seen them up to 15 pages long. How can you possibly do a workplace review of a safe work method statement or a JSA in the field with such a long document? How can you develop one of these at such length? The next major issue is data collection. We collect data from investigations, from audits, from inspections, from observations. Some of this is very valuable data. Is it the correct sort of data? We use frequency rates. To some extent, these frequency rates can be manipulated. You've seen the data in regard to LTIFR, MTIFR and the like reducing over years, but the fatality rates not reducing the same. One of the general and overarching areas of expertise that iSOL8 offers is the area of facilitation. iSOL8 is a specialist provider of permanent work and energy isolation management systems. iSOL8 provides extensive health and safety documentation services. The belief that iSOL8 has is to get more from less, simplify, reduce, make it readable, usable and road tested. iSOL8 consultants have extensive accident and incident investigation experience, including process loss investigations. We conduct risk assessments, usually through a facilitated process with a client, or it can be an individual assessment based on documentation and field visits. We have extensive auditing experience. The most popular is the Safety Management Plan Compliance Audit, where we look at the contract agreement, the Safety Management Plan, and determine whether that's been complied with. The requirements are to assist clients with determining the health and safety component of their contracts going for tender, and on the other hand is assisting contractors to interpret client requirements and realign the contractor's systems with the clients. We do due diligence studies. This would include people who want to sell their companies to determine the health of the company and to be able to make sure it meets requirements for buyers. On the other hand, we can do this for buyers of companies, and the other clients are insurers who would like to determine the risk profile of the people they are insuring and determine if there are any legacy issues that need to be highlighted. The expertise offered to clients consists of a variety of disciplines, including an extensive occupational health and safety background, a very strong mechanical engineering foundation, industrial hygiene, certainly business improvement approaches used extensively. So there we have it. Simple, customised, focused, practical. Get to solutions quickly and make sure they're effective. Help customers roll them out if required. My name is Craig Power. I'm the Managing Director of iSOL8. My number is 041 995 6050. If you require further details about me, I have an extensive LinkedIn profile under Stephen Craig Power. So if you have any further questions, please give me a call on that number or contact me through my email address craig.power@isol8.com.au.